you're going to draw a winter tree. And trees like this can be really tough until you learn a special trick that I'm going to show you. And when you do this, you're going to have the best looking trees. Now, notice every time a branch goes off, there's a letter V, and the whole tree becomes like a letter Y. So whenever you add a branch, there's a gentle sideways blend, but it's a V, a V, a V, and then every part of that tree looks like a Y. Ready? Let's draw it. You're gonna learn some great tricks here. Okay, we're gonna start with a ground line. Okay, right at the bottom, our tree's gotta come out of somewhere. Now this is unusual, but I'm gonna start at the bottom. And I'm gonna go up. And I'm gonna pause a little bit because I'm gonna split off up here, but let's go on this side, up. Now, I'm gonna go this way with a branch, and here I go, right down the middle. And then I'm gonna go to this direction with the branch, okay? So, right off the bat, there's our first V and our first Y. Now, kind of a weird looking tree, so let's add a few more branches. So over here, I'm gonna gently go and add another Y. I'm gonna blend off here and another gentle branch. And down here, I'm gonna add another one. Gently going off this way for a branch. There. Now, and let's put some more on our side. We had a couple down here. So here, gentle, blend it. And it always gets thicker here and it thins out. Ready? Blend it. Good. A little bit, let's make a small one. Now you can just keep going and adding as many branches as you want to your tree because, you know, that's what makes it look more realistic. But, so here, and here, but look again, all the Y's and the V's. And here I'm gonna go one more. Okay, look at that, he's great. Now if you have a real leaves on it, you just push the leaves over it. But right now, let's just trace over this. And then oh wait, I forgot. I got a big part to tell you. Here's a piece. You gotta erase right here all the places where the branches blended because that's where it looks natural that the tree grew out that way. So it's easier to do it now because you don't want to get confused and draw that line when you're doing your Sharpie because there's no going back then. And when you do, oops, I forgot one more. When you do your Sharpie, you can adjust your branches, but again, fat at the bottom, thinner later. So now I'm going to go back up here because I like going downwards when I draw. And here we go, down to the bottom of my tree. And I'm gonna go up to the top. And I like to turn my paper. Okay, a little bit of erasing. Okay, now I'm gonna make sure it's all dusted off. I'm gonna have some fun coloring. So instead of coloring the tree, I'm gonna color behind the tree because I want it to really pop off the page and I want you to see it more. Okay, ready? Let's color. There's our winter tree. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We've got so many more videos for you.